Good morning. It's now our second day at the Särna Club at the Särna Camping place. It's early morning. I think it's between 6 or 7 o'clock early morning. Most of the people are now awake. At least from the tents, they are wake up like us because it's a little bit cold. It's nice weather still in the cold. So we are going to make a round trip of this camp. Yesterday we did not make a round trip because we arrived here in the late evening around 9 o'clock. So today is our first day at this camp, and we are going to go up in the mountains today to see the waterfalls. I think this is a nice place. It looks like a nice beach, beautiful place.